Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
This video, we'll learn how to install a short shifter for a 2002 to 2005 Subaru Impreza WRX. We can start by unscrewing the shift knob. Once that's done, slowly and gently tug on the center console forward so you can release all the clips. Once there's enough room to get underneath the center console, go ahead and unplug the harness. We now need to take off the shift boot and the surrounding bracket. You can do so by gently tugging it upwards. The 4 10mm bolts are shown here in yellow arrows. Next step is to take off the metal bracket, but to do so, we must first remove 4 10mm bolts. Before moving to the next step, please make sure that your vehicle has been sitting for over 3 hours, because we will be working next to the exhaust system. Now we need to get beneath the car, where the shifter is located. This part might get a little tricky, because there is a heat shield covering the bolt that you need to remove. The video will demonstrate where the hidden bolt is. Remove the 12mm bolt that is horizontal to the vehicle. As we all know, every shifter is connected to a shift link. Please remove the 12mm bolt that is shown here. After that's complete, take off the washer, next take off the rubber spacer. Now to the opposite side, there is a final 12mm nut and bolt that needs to be removed. We are complete beneath the vehicle. Now let's go back into the car, where another 12mm nut and bolt needs to be removed from the shifter. The shifter and shift linkage is now free. Bring it out of the vehicle and remove the snap ring, then the shifter and linkage can completely come apart. You will need to remove your plastic bushing from your original shifter for your new short shifter. Also, grab some of that extra grease that's lying around. Apply it to your new short shifter, put back on the locking rings. Please also remember to transfer the bushings and pin to the new short shifter. You can now replace the new short shifter back with the linkage. And now to the reinstallation process. Please follow the steps in reverse. Please make sure that each step is completed carefully. Do not miss any nuts or bolts. The installation is now complete. For your safety and the safety of others, please make sure that all nuts and bolts are firmly in, and enjoy your new short shifter. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.